Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Hope you had a good 3-day weekend. Today for the warm-up, I'm going to have you watch this video. For the classwork activity, I'm going to have us go back to that slideshow that we created last week about some issue that interests you, that you'd like to learn more about. And I'm going to have you think of a couple questions to ask about that topic. And the questions are not questions that you'll answer from Google. These don't have like objective answers out there. These are statistics we're going to gather, and we're going to try to gather them from each other. So if you go to this document, then you can click on plot. You go to your slide, and then you add another slide. Okay, so I want everybody to now have a slide below their original slide. If you don't have the original slide, you can start working on the original slide. I'm going to think of two questions. The first question is going to have a yes or no answer. And so my topic, if you remember, was about what percentage of kids are in school right now. So here's a good yes or no. Would you rather be in school or doing remote school right now? And then I want another question that has multiple answers, but it's not an open-ended question. It's a question that's going to like become a pie chart. So for example, here's a good one. What would be your favorite class? Well, all right. So after math class, which is your favorite class usually? And then I'm going to have to add some answers like science, English, history, PE, and then whoops, not 3. I'll go E, arts, and this could be digital arts, yearbook, something else. And then you have to pick from these 5 options when you do my survey. And so then to do my survey, I'm going to have you guys create your own survey, which you can do by going over to drive.google.com. And then if you click new, then you can click well, there's a way for you to click form. When you do, it's going to create something like this. There we go. You create Google Forms here, and then you go blank form, and then it's going to create something like this. You can call it my survey. You're going to add the questions here with you should be able to add the multiple choice questions, and then you can copy the link right here, and then you can go back to the survey, and you can make one of these things. Or let's just put at the bottom, let's say link to survey, and then you can insert link, or you can press Control K, and then you can paste or press Control V, and then you can apply the link. And so then if we have time today, we can go through and take each other's surveys. And if we don't have time today, we may do that in the future. Okay, so that's going to be today's activity. We will be in groups, so you can ask questions, but I want everybody to get to this point that I'm at before the end of class.